Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a text story on your TikTok account. So all you need to do is to follow these simple steps. First, you will need just to open your TikTok account and click on open your application, and then you will need just to open your account. Make sure that you are logged in and go to the profile and see if you can see your profile here. After that, we will need just to create our text story. To do so, we will need just to click on the plus sign or the plus icon that we see at the bottom of the screen, or the toolbar, or you can call it also a navigation bar. So we can just click on this plus sign, and here we can go to the creation panel, or just where we can create our stories or content. And basically here we will find the text place or the text area. So here we can type anything that we want, anything. And of course, there is a variety, or TikTok provide a variety of formatting on the TikTok story creation. There are these style of the font, or some font, I mean the filling color. You can have some alignments. Also, there are multiple fonts that you can choose from. And basically, you can also uh, colorize or change the font color of your text. After that, you will need just to click on done, and you will have your story that will be posted to the feed. Or you can also add some sounds if you prefer some sounds to add with your story here. And basically you can also like send it to specific people by clicking on the first icon here. And or you can just have it as a post or have it as a story. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.